want to see. Can I sit right there too?
Go.
You can get behind me.
What?
You can get behind me. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Now he's like another kind of baby. He's trying like this. Now he's trying like this.
Yeah, he's crawling just like a baby.
He's like a real baby, alright.
Don't let him get it. Let's see if he can go on the floor.
See? Don't now.
Hey, you're on camera. You're supposed to be behaved. So everyone thinks you're such good kids.
Hey, Mommy.
Move out of the way, Addie.
Mom, I don't want to be hunted. He's trying to get this.
I know, but just let him.
Okay. But right here so I can get it right there.
Okay. Go, Cole. Move out of his way.
Go. Go. Now, Cole.